I moved to Miami in 4 days, and on some pick up all my stuff and just go super leap of faith. And I, as of yesterday, had such a full circle moment. I remember being in prayer and saying, my biggest fear was I'm moving to Miami. Miami is an expensive lifestyle, and it was something that for me to go as blindly as I was, because I wasn't going with the plan. I was going to figure out as I went and just trusting God 100% when it came down to what my next move was going to be, especially career-wise. It left me with so much doubt, and fears started to arise. One day I was super heavy into the word. I remember I was journaling what it was that I had learned, and an ant just crossed onto my notebook. In the moment, my initial instinct was like, smush the ant. But I remember as clear as day, I heard God say to me, if not even an ant has gone without, what makes you think that I'll start now? I am sharing that because yesterday I woke up through like almost 4 o'clock in the morning, and the first thing that I did was, I grabbed my Bible and I went straight into scripture, and I just flipped. I opened to Proverbs 6, life lessons. When you're feeling lazy, come and learn a lesson from this tale of a tiny ant. And when I saw a tiny ant, my eyes just locked in. I didn't even know there was a scripture about an ant. So to me, it was such a full circle moment. Yes, all you lazy bones, I'm not saying I'm lazy, come learn from the example of the ant and enter into wisdom. The ants have no chief, no boss, no manager. No one has to tell them what to do. You'll see them working and toiling all summer long, stockpiling their food in preparation for winter. So wake up, sleepyhead. How long will you lie there? When will you wake up and get out of bed? If you keep nodding off and thinking, I'll just sit back a while and take it easy, just watch how the future unfolds. By making excuses, you'll learn what it means to go without. Poverty will pounce on you like a bandit. And so in the beginning, it was learning to have the faith by seeing the ant, and now it's like embodying the characteristics of not needing a manager, not needing a boss, not needing to be told what to do, instead just doing and being that intentional and just working and not allowing myself to fall behind, because the best time is now. If you're in a doubting season, remember that if not even an ant goes without, then what makes you think he's gonna start now?